In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change layout in WebEx. Let's get started. First, launch WebEx on your device. This is a straightforward step. You will see the WebEx icon on your desktop or in your Applications menu. Simply click on it to open the application. As the program loads, you will see a welcoming interface where you can access meetings, messages, and other features. This initial step is crucial because it gets you started in the right environment. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the application, as it will become your workspace for the meeting. Next, log in if prompted. Depending on your settings, WebEx may ask for your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you have enabled any security features such as two-factor authentication, follow those prompts as well. Logging in is important to ensure that your settings and preferences are applied correctly. Once you log in, you will see a dashboard that gives you options to join or create a meeting. Now click the Join a Meeting button or create a new one. If you are joining, you will need the meeting ID or link provided by the host. This link usually comes via email or a calendar invite. Click on the button, and if you're creating a new meeting, follow the prompts to set it up. Joining or creating a meeting is essential for accessing the layout options, so be sure you are in the meeting environment before proceeding. Once in the meeting, click the layout icon in the upper right corner. This icon is usually represented by a grid or squares. When you click this, a menu will appear with various layout options. Selecting a layout is key to enhancing your meeting experience. It allows you to customize how you view participants and content, making the meeting more effective. Take a moment to evaluate your choices before making a selection. Now, let's explore the first layout option, Grid View. This view shows everyone in equal-sized boxes across the screen. It is particularly recommended for large team discussions. In this layout, all participants are visible at the same time, which fosters better engagement and interaction. You will see a grid formation allowing for a balanced view of the team. This layout is effective in ensuring that everyone feels included, making it a popular choice for collaborative meetings. Next, we have Stack View. In this layout, the active speaker or shared presentation is placed in the center, with other participants lined up in a row at the top. This makes it easy to focus on the person speaking while still keeping an eye on others. Stack View is beneficial during presentations when you want to highlight the speaker without losing sight of the audience. This layout helps maintain a level of interaction while ensuring the primary focus remains clear. After that, there is Side-by-Side View. This option displays the active speaker or presentation on the left side, with other participants arranged in a vertical strip on the right. This layout allows for a large view of the presentation while still showing who is participating. It is particularly useful for discussions where visual content is shared. By using this view, you can engage with the presentation while still being aware of other participants' reactions. Now, let's discuss Full Screen View. This option hides the application panels entirely, allowing the active speaker or presentation to fill your entire physical monitor. This immersive experience is great for focusing on content without distractions. It is especially useful for webinars or important presentations where you want to absorb every detail. Choosing this view can enhance your engagement with the material being presented. Finally, there are additional options such as automatically hiding names, stopping incoming videos, and people focus. These features allow you to tailor your meeting experience further. Hiding names can reduce visual clutter, while stopping incoming videos can help maintain bandwidth. People focus allows you to highlight participants as they speak, ensuring that your attention remains where it's needed most. These small adjustments can significantly enhance your overall experience, making meetings more productive. With these steps, you can effectively change the layout in WebEx to suit your meeting needs. Enjoy your enhanced meeting experience.